Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to see blocked accounts on Twitter. So watch this video till the end. First, open your Twitter app, then tap on Profile that is on the top left corner of your screen. Now tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap on Privacy and Safety. There you will see a lot of options. Tap on Mute and Block. Now tap on Blocked Accounts. So that is how you see blocked accounts on Twitter. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.